Alright, I'm going to show you how you can code your own serial monitor for your Arduino projects using a SwiftUI and macOS. Alright, so what we have to do first is create a new project. We want macOS and app, hit next. I'm going to call this one Arduino Serial Monitor. You can call it whatever you want. Team, I don't know what you'll have here, but I've got my name. You'll see organizational identifier, you need to put something in there and leave the rest as it is. We need to find a home for this. So mine's going to go on desktop, in my apps, test app, new folder. I'm going to call it Arduino Serial Monitor. Create. Cancel, don't worry about that. Make this full screen. So what we have here is this little bit of code here enables this to be viewed. This content view is what you put in here. So if I can change this to something else, and it gets done, made there. So this isn't a tutorial to show you how to use Xcode or how to code completely. What I'm going to do is copy in my code and roughly explain it what it does. That way I can keep the video nice and short, and if you're just here and you want the code, that'll be on my GitHub page and you'll be able to just grab it and paste it in. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of all this, we don't need it. Boof, gone. Notice when that preview bit's there, that disappears. Alright, so I'm going to paste in all my code. Copy, paste, and this will load and get created. Alright, so now this bit up the top here, this view window, this is all what's here. So you can change what the button looks like. You want to say connect, you can say connected or connect, but we'll leave it connect. You can have message to send. You can change all that yourself. Yep. Alright, so starting from the top, these are some variables that I needed to set and that variables that I need to use. Up here, import, now that's the classes that I'm using. Alright, so you've got a V stack, embedded in the V stack you've got a H stack. Now we've got some pickers, which are these things here. So this picker here is for my serial ports. This picker here is the baud rates. Remember, baud rates were up here, baud rates. So the one, if you're missing the speed that you want, just add it in here, it'll get added in here. The button, the scroll view, so this becomes a scroll view down here, this where it comes through, and I'll demonstrate in the end. And there's another H stack that's embedded, and with the message down here, some padding, some things to call. Now these are the functions. So when you hit the connect button, this function gets run. So if you look up here, find the connect button. If button is connected, hit connect. Alright, sweet. So look, it tells you it runs connect or it runs disconnect. So this is connect here, this is disconnect here. Send data, so you hit the button, hit this send button, this bit gets written. This is a thread that starts here. Then now what this does is this is going to constantly read the serial port and populate the responses back. This is the function to get all the serial ports. Right here, return ports. That's for the population of the thing, and then this little bit down here allows you to view the thing. So if I got rid of that, for example, you lose that. Still there, but it stops you from being able to see it. Alright, next we need to add some extra. We need to come here and go enable that. Then we need to come back here, click on this one, add one. We're going to add this in here, copy, paste, make it a boolean, make it yes, make it yes. Alright, made it yes. Now we're going to go back over here. I'm going to hit run. After I plug my Arduino in, I'll plug an Arduino in, hit run, build succeed. Here it is here, USB modem, right board speed, hit connect, opening the serial port, Arduino is ready. If I type in LED on, it's going to turn my LED on and tell me. LED turned on, LED off, LED's off. So this is the Arduino I'm talking to. Alright, I'll make another short video next week of how to turn this into a file that you can put on your desktop and you can run. Alright, so if this helped, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll make more videos using Mac and more videos using PC. Thanks for watching.